Hi friends, let me show you this new director's style foldable chair that I got for reviewing purposes. It is easy to carry with you with these handles, and it's a really nice chair, as you can see. It's so easy to use it. You just unfold it like that. It has breathable mesh fabric in all of it, and it's really strong. It can hold up to 450 pounds. As you can see, you get different accessories like this table, okay, where you can put things, your cup and some other things. And it has these side pockets to keep also things like a water bottle. Let's try it. And it's really comfortable, okay? Now let me show you how you could have different stuff with you, like your cup, your cell phone, and even your water bottle in this side. Like this, even your phone here, some other stuff that you could have with you. And you will be ready to spend the day in the beach, in your patio, seeing a sports event, maybe your kids' soccer game, playing with your pets, as you can see, or even working if you are indeed a film director. Now we are ready to go. Bye-bye.